Welcome to the Joyful Movement series powered by C60 Purple Power. We're combining the ancient art of Qigong and breathwork to revitalize, awaken, and support vibrant living. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to turn on notifications and stay up to date with the latest releases from C60 Purple Power. In this episode, we'll work on a joyful movement practice for vitality that you can use anytime that you need an energy boost and to recharge your battery. To begin this practice, mind focuses inside of the body, opening up to the left into a neutral stance. Hands rise up to the heavens on an in-breath, gathering and collecting energy, depositing and drawing that energy in to the lowest energy center below the belly. As you inhale, collecting from earth, nature, and the heavens, and depositing and drawing that energy inward. We'll repeat this movement 4 more times, collecting and powering up the vitality of the body. Last pass through. Transitioning to our next movement, inhaling, gathering at the upper energy center, nourishing and vitalizing the mind, gathering from earth, nature, and the heaven into the mind. Repeat 4 more times, awakening, vitalizing, and opening. Preparing for the next movement, gathering and drawing energy into the heart center, awakening and vitalizing. Gathering from earth, nature, and heaven, and drawing in vitality. Drawing energy into the lower center of power and stability, charging up and vitalizing physical body. We'll repeat this movement 4 times, collecting and drawing in. Hands rise up to the upper energy center, and we're going to take all that energy we've cultivated and begin to rotate it forward. Inhaling, rotating forward, exhaling, rotating forward. Weight gently shifts in the feet from right to left. Subtle turn of the wheel in the pelvis. Mind focuses the upper energy center, rotating forward. Hands drop to the heart center, inhaling, rotating forward, exhaling for 1 full turn, gently shifting the weight right to left in the pelvis, turning the wheel of energy at the heart center. Sinking down to lower energy center, rotating physical energy, power center forward. Bringing all that vital energy we've collected into motion, rotating at lower energy center. Sinking, back stay straight, drawing energy up the central channel, palms face each other, and expanding and spreading that energy around, drawing up through the center, and opening and expanding. Repeat this movement 4 more times. Drawing one foot in and meeting the heels together, knees slightly bent. Mind focuses on the space just below the navel, breathing in and out of that space and storing all of this vital energy, waking up that lower energy center, the sea of Qi, stabilizing and activating the vitality you've collected. Breath is full and soft. Noting the space between breaths. Anchoring and stabilizing your energy body. I'm going to draw all energy into the lower energy center, coming out of the stance. 3 deep breaths, feeling that vital, open energy, massaging one direction, and shifting to massage the opposite direction. Hands rub together and distributing, washing that energy through any spaces in the body that need a little extra boost. To finish our practice, let the whole body be loose, bouncing and allowing that energy vibration to move through the whole being, waking up all of the body systems, rising up, dropping down and letting the earth energy vibrate through the body. Closing the practice. This vitality practice is appropriate for any time you need an extra boost of energy. If you've enjoyed this joyful movement practice, be sure to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Be wellness.